So hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I might have caved in and like broke my no buy rule that I set after my last two hauls, which I will link down below. But I bought all this stuff from Give Face Cosmetics with my own money. No, this video isn't sponsored. No, they didn't pay me to do this video, blah blah blah. But it's where I buy all my like drag glitters, drag pigments, basically all my drag makeup. So therefore it's justified, right? Let's get on with the haul. The first thing I picked up was a pair of black contact lenses. You're sure to see these on my channel when it rolls around to October for lots of different drag looks. So yeah, needed some black contact lenses. I grabbed a couple of pair of lashes, but the main thing I wanted are these gigantic drag lashes, which are their 301s, which if you know anything about like RuPaul's Drag Race or drag queens kind of in general, a 301 is kind of like the standard giant lash. And I know I do like a lot smaller kind of natural woman lashes, even though they're quite large, they're like natural kind of woman lashes in the drag world, so I thought I'd step my pussy up and buy some 301s, finally. I also picked this up since I thought it sounded really helpful and effing incredible for people like me that can't cover their brows very well. Like, my brow cover game is really bad, although I'm tempted to shave off my brows. Do you think I should do it? Leave it in the comment section down below. Like, I'm so tempted to shave off like the outer half of my brow, but I thought I'd give this a go first. And it is the Grimas eyebrow plastic, and it kind of works like how a glue stick would work, but it's a little bit like stiffer and firmer and will hopefully cover my brows better. Normally when I do attempt to cover my brows, which is like never, I would use Pros-Aid glue since that's like a special effects thing, but I thought this would be a really good thing to try. And then if I still can't cover my brows, I'm really tempted to shave them off. Leave it in the comment section. I grabbed a bunch of their own brand pencils, so I kind of got the basic like dark plum since Halloween again is around the corner, so I picked up a dark plum. I got a black and a white for my waterline and also could use it as a lip liner, and then a deep navy, which I should have used today to line my lips since it looks sloppy as heck. But yeah, I picked up some of their own brand makeup since I really want to give their pencils a try. I also picked up two lip pencils from the brand OCC from their website. So I got Tard, which is a black, which obviously I'm going to get used of when it comes around to Halloween time. And then Anime, which I already own, but I love hot pink lip liners, like I'm a Barbie. I also picked up one of their liquid lipsticks to try since, again, Halloween's coming around. You're going to hear me mention it a lot. It's why I bought a lot of this product. But I just thought this liquid lipstick was like a really fun and unique shade, and I think it would really go well with like the look that I currently have going on. But yeah, I mainly tried their like glitters and pigment, so I thought I'd branch out and try some of their other products, like with liquid lips. I also picked up a pair of nude fishnet tights since they're just really good for like hiding hip pads and that kind of like look and making your legs look a lot smoother. And again, I know I'm like a broken record, but when it comes around to Halloween, I'm gonna try and like put so much effort into the videos, so there may be some body on show for all the people that keep asking me. These will come in handy for that. And then while I was looking through the website, they kind of had like several package deals, so I think I bought like one of each of their packages. So I got two kind of different face products, which I like their face products. I haven't really dabbled in them too much, but you're bound to see them a lot more on my channel. But I got their orange beard corrector, which, you know, I use the same like orange in every single video. So I got this, which is a lot more like deeper peachy shade, which should be really good for blocking out that like 5 o'clock shadow. And then I also got the highlight cream, which is like a really good cream white, which I think will be amazing as like an eyeshadow base as well as for highlighting the face. So yeah, got both of these. I also grabbed 4 of their different face powders. So I got a lighter one that's also kind of got a dewy finish, which I think will be really nice just to kind of lightly dust over the face as like a finishing kind of setting powder. I got a light one, which will be good for baking under my eyes. And then I got a medium one and a deep one, which I will probably use as bronzer or maybe eyeshadow in the crease, or even just to like set my body bronzer down when I normally put my body bronzer on. So yeah, I got 4 of their face powders. So I picked up 2 of their loose highlighters since they're actually really, really good and affordable. So I picked up the shade Vivienne, which is this top shade here. I've actually met her and she's the RuPaul's Drag UK kind of ambassador, and she's absolutely sickening. She performs so well and she's a really nice, like genuine kind of person. And then I picked up Aria, which is this bright white here, which I think will be gorgeous like all over the lid or like in a corner or just for a really blinding highlight kind of moment. So yeah, the loose highlighters, wish I could speak, the loose highlighters are actually incredible, so had to get 2 more of them, girl. So I also picked 2 of their blushes. So I got the shade Nav, which I'm assuming is how you say it, which is a lot more deeper kind of terracotta bronzer. This will be good when I'm a lot more tan since I think it's meant for a little bit deeper skin tones. And then I got Dainty, which is just like a really nice like rosy kind of blush. So yeah, I thought I'd give their loose blushes a try since I absolutely friggin' love their loose highlighters. And then the rest of what I picked up is all different glitters and pigments, which I will try and leave the names for everything that I haul today like down below since I'm not going to swatch everything, but this neon pink and this neon green just spoke to me so much. And then I got a bunch of kind of more neutral shades since I don't really have a lot of their neutral ones. I have some yellows and oranges and greens, which you'll see in like Halloween videos, but this neon pink, this neon green, beautiful. And now I'm also fairly sure that I'm set on different pinks and purple glitters. Like, I'm slowly trying to fill one of these drawers behind me with just entire, like, glitters and pigments. And they also do biodegradable glitters and stuff. Like, I will try and leave everything down below, but yeah, I picked up a bunch of purple and pink glitters, and then I kind of went to the rainbow. See, I literally picked up a rainbow. Like, I know I've kind of just missed Pride season to do like a Pride, like, full-on rainbow flag kind of drag look, but it's always good to have glitters, and I pretty much put glitter on my eyes in some way, shape, or form, on my face in, like, literally every single video, so yeah, I kind of wanted to complete kind of just a Pride rainbow collection of glitters just for when the moment occurs. But my favorite thing about their website is that they literally have like so many different finishes, types, sizes, biodegradable ones, duochrome ones, everything. So for a bitch like me that loves glitter, it's where I go to buy them all, pretty much. So yeah, that was it for my drag makeup haul from Give Face Cosmetics. I will leave their website down below. No, this video isn't sponsored. They have no idea who I am, and I spent my own money on it, but I just think their website deserves a shout out. They're a really good website for providing like the plethora of makeup that you would need to do like a full drag beat, and I absolutely friggin' love their different glitters and pigments. So yeah, I thought I'd buy a bunch of different like face and base products to try out theirs to let you guys know what I think of it. So you're bound to see in lots of videos, especially when it comes around to Halloween. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a giant thumbs up. Don't go near the thumbs down button. Thumbs it up. Comment down below any other looks or any other videos you want to see from me, or if you want to see anything I haul today like in action, let me know and I can put it to the top of my little list. And subscribe to a bitch. I bring out new videos every single Monday, 8 PM Greenwich Mean Time, plus bonus days. Plus there will be a tutorial on this look already up on my channel, which I will leave down below. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.